Hi, my name's Kev. Here at OM, I've been employed for 5 years. We work hard, and in hard times, you just need a listening ear, someone that can help you out, point you in the right direction. I'd like to thank Greg and Michael for their support bringing in Mates in Construction. Here on site, it gives me an opportunity to be a supporter. Men aren't real emotionally supportive amongst ourselves, but on site, I can listen to the boys. It brings me huge joy to be a Mates in Construction mental health connector. A listening ear sometimes is better than a cold beer. Our future at OM looks bright.